How to use reports in Hootsuite Analytics. In this video, I'll show you how to use reports in Hootsuite Analytics. So to get started, go ahead and log into your Hootsuite account. So head over to hootsuite.com and sign into your dashboard, and then navigate to the Analytics tab. So click on Analytics on the left side of your screen in between the Inbox 2.0 and the Ads tab. And then once you're on the Analytics tab, you'll land on the overview page showing key metrics. So from here, head over into the All Reports tab. So click on All Reports below Social Score and Insights. And then in here, go ahead and click on the report that you want to view. So you'll see a list of pre-built and custom reports. And then in here, as you can see, you'll be able to find the report of the published posts that you have for your connected social media accounts on Hootsuite. So you can filter these reports by clicking on the filters button at the top right. You can also export this filtered reports that you have in here. So you can download it as a PDF, Excel, or PowerPoint, or click share to send a live link to teammates or clients. So you can use comparison widgets to track growth over time and set up scheduled reports to auto-send weekly or monthly. You can also use this to integrate with your Google Analytics for deeper insights. And that is how you can basically use reports in Hootsuite Analytics. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.